Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to limit multiple choice responses in Google Form. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google Form, and to limit multiple choice responses, we need to get add-ons. You can click on these three dots and then you can select get add-ons, and then you're going to search for form limiter. Just type in form limiter like this, and I have just installed this form choice limiter guys, and you can install this add-on or you can choose another add-on. It's up to you, but I have installed this one, and I'm just going to go back. Okay, click on the add-ons, and then we're going to choose form choice limiter, and then we can click on configure. Okay, and just hold on guys. Alright, and here we can limit the multiple choice responses. For example, I'm going to limit 5 for Instagram, and then 10 for YouTube, and then 2 for Facebook. Okay, and after that, this choice can only be selected by 5 participants, and 10 participants for YouTube, and then 2 participants for Facebook. And then I'm just going to click on apply. Okay guys, and that's all the way to limit multiple choice responses in Google Form. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!